Sup yo, welcome to a new episode of Your Ass Hungry Now. Today we got something cool for you. What we got?
We're making poke, but not the traditional poke. We're doing a little poke nacho. So we're gonna have layers of the Furikake dusted nacho chips with like the nice diced tuna. We're gonna do some in a soy marinade, some in a spicy mayo marinade. We're gonna layer them up high. What else are we gonna put on it?
Just some nice balance of flavors. We got some citrus in there, some fattiest avocado, the tuna, sesame, cilantro, wasabi, just all the good stuff in one melting pot. And nice little crispy tortillas.
And you're gonna shove them into your mouth, call it a day. It's gonna be delicious. Now let's get into this recipe.
Yummy. We have our sushi grade Ahi Tuna here. Time to dice it up and get prepared for both our marinades. Time to divide this tuna into two bowls. Start with a splash of soy sauce, a touch of sesame, a drizzle of honey, a couple shots of Maggie, a little kiss of rice wine vinegar, a little bit of rough chopped cilantro, combined. Give it a little taste for seasoning. Let this chill in the fridge and let those flavors mingle together.
Now it's time to make the spicy tuna. I'm gonna start with some Kewpie Mayo, a little bit of my homemade spicy chili oil, but that's a recipe for another video. I'm gonna throw a teaspoon of that in with the chili flakes, toasted sesame, all that in there. A dash of sesame oil, about a teaspoon of fresh squeezed lime juice, a quarter teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds, and a little bit of fresh chopped scallion. Now let's give it a little mixy mix for the frisky chicks. It'll catch on one day. Let's give it a little taste. It's perfect. Let's throw it in the fridge so we're ready to use it. I'm gonna start by finely slicing 2 pieces of green onion. Next I'm gonna peel and dice a quarter of a cucumber. To our cucumbers, we're gonna add some finely sliced finger chilies. Dash a couple of tablespoons of rice wine vinegar on top of here. Basically create a little light pickle. Gonna mix it up, set it aside till we're ready to use it. Finely chopped cilantro, stems and all.
For our Wasabi Crema, we're gonna start it with powdered wasabi. About 3/4 of a teaspoon. All right, we're gonna add a little swig of rice wine vinegar here, and we're just gonna make that wasabi into a paste. Fresh lime zest, the best part of the lime. A pin drop of sesame oil, same amount of soy sauce, kosher salt, a pinch of sugar, a little bit of 35% cream, a liberal amount of sour cream, cilantro, taste your seasoning, add fresh lime juice, balance this out with a little bit of honey for sweetness, Wasabi Crema.
I got some wonton wrappers here. I'm gonna thinly slice them because they're gonna be threads as a garnish on the top of our nacho. There we go. Our wonton threads. Gonna fry them off and they're gonna be a beautiful topper. Got some fresh corn tortillas here. I'm gonna cut them into triangles. We're gonna fry them off and begin to build our nachos.
Time to fry the tortilla. Looking for a nice golden brown. We're gonna puff up a little bit of that fresh tortilla.
Here we got some Hawaiian black salt. I'm gonna put it in a mortar and pestle with a little MSG. It's gonna be a finishing salt for our tortillas.
Into a bowl lined with paper towel for dripping and a little bit of seasoning.
We're using Seto Fumi Furikake. It's gonna give us that nice flavor.
Oh yeah.
It's like sesame, bonito, nori.
We're also gonna add a little bit of our black salt mixed with MSG. All right, more tortillas, Hawaiian black salt, some more furikake. Oh yeah, these are just phenomenal. So umami. So delicious. Banger. Here are crispy wontons. Little flip.
As soon as they stop bubbling like this, they're done.
Hit some of that black Hawaiian salt again. Keep with the theme for the Hawaiian poke.
The last component is a little avocado. The old TikTok trick. Put your thumb on the back of the avocado here, press, and out goes the pit. We give us a little dice, and we're gonna begin to build our nachos.
Time for the drizzle. Sesame seeds. Poke. Wow.
Look at that.
Don't do the honors?
No, I want to do the yawners.
Oh, no way. Don't get my eye, bruh.
Lime juice to finish it off.
Jeez.
Dibs.
Oh, the crown.
The crown. Call me the king.
Mmm.
Bruh. It's amazing.
I gotta drop the mic. Wow.
Spicy. Sweet.
Mmm.
Creamy. Those are delicious.
Bro,
The furikake.
the level of flavors between the two different marinations coming through there, the crispness
Good.
of the tortilla, the fresh tortilla. There's nice little classic Kewpie in there to tie it all together and melt it like it was almost like cheese in a sense, right?
Absolutely.
All the elements of a nacho, but totally different except for the tortilla. That's only the key thing we got.
It's like
man.
poke, but
Wow,
turned it up a notch.
man. So fun, like to bring this like for a family or something like that, you know, like a nice little gathering or just impress your girlfriend, you know. Come on.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next Saturday. Peace.